Anyway, I'm a drug dealer because I sell fuses.
How many fuses you got in your pocket, Chad?
30. I'm looking for my 40. Hello, 40. 40 and 30.
Need a 40 amp fuse for the 900 brake all-wheel drive, baby.
Yo, don't ask, man.
No, I'm not asking. I won't ask.
I've never had this grief in my life. How am I having grief with this shit?
You know what it is?
What?
Just donate me the car, bro.
Take it. If you know how to start it, I'll let you have it.
How do you start it, Chad?
You tell me, innit?
You turn key and you just, oh, he's looking kind of nice in there.
That's what a normal key does, isn't it?
What does your key do?
Welcome to the life of Big Ma, BMT, and Big Sajad. Sajad and Co.
You got the Kool-Aid in the radiator.
Whoa, I need to get my straw and start drinking that cause...
Slurpy.
So we have radiator issue at the moment. And I know this is a cheat code, yeah, but I used to connect the fans directly to my headlights. No problem issue. Every single car, no issue. But this car gives me issue. Why?
Bad girl.
Putty bitch.
Why?
So, let's do some more testing quickly. So we're supposed to connect to this, but we can't right now because I forgot the laptop. So let's keep move on now, 2 minutes. So, let's try something else. Because we had a 30 amp fuse in and it blew the 30 amp fuse on the fuel pump. We're going to put it back on the fuel pump now, start it, and see if it idles. If it idles, it stays on.
Not.
If it doesn't, and it blows the fuse, then that means that we can fully 100% though cannot run it there. So, well, I've even skinned it up here already, ready for me to try. But I still believe it's the bloody fan, bro. I just found a second-hand, well, not second-hand, another fan from somewhere. Bit of a good low price, but...
Did you get it?
No, not yet. I thought, let me come and do some checking first. Get some adapter wire. Over there! Sajad.
Oh, go on, Jamie.
I'm alright, man. We've got a bit of a...
Bit of a headache.
We've got a race tonight, bro.
Big race.
Big race.
Easy race. Yo, hang on, Jamie. You got an upgrade to the unit.
What?
Yeah, let me go point you out. How's the man got a little Street Fighter arcade thingy here, bro?
You think you can play, land, £5 a game?
£5 a game, but I ain't playing. Wait, does it work?
No, the battery's off. I ain't connected it yet.
It's pretty sick. Yo, how'd you not love these, bro?
Eat it.
I'm hungry.
Fan on? No, fan's off.
VP Racing, Renegade, any meth distributors, we need a sponsor, please. We go through a lot of meth and we need some good stuff. Please, thank you. Have a good day.
I don't know. Get that piece of shit out of my face. I am so pissed off, man.
Jamie, it's gonna work today, inshallah. You know why? Because we're in good spirits.
Okay, let's try and start this goody bitch again.
Let's try and start the baby. 900 Japanese horses to all four wheels. Time it popped off, so I'm just letting it run. Doing some hood electrics. Go on, I'll do that for you, Jamie. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Look.
Oh damn, that's some suction, baby. Hood electrics work, Jam.
Okay, so...
Oh, what a scam, bro. It's stuck on there. Oh. So, Jamie, what have we done?
So now... So basically, I've had the radiators hardwired into the lights, right? Because I like them like that. Because if the lights work, the radiator works. Now, anyway. So then I put it onto the fuel pump. Cool. But then it's melted the fuse on the fuel pump. So something's not right still. So now, Golden goes. He's got an output on the fuel tech. Because run the wire in, put one side onto the fan, put the other one onto a ground, and then I need to go and get the laptop, and then we're going to try and switch it on. And I have got a switch panel so I can do.
Turn
Big
up.
L. Tree. Running the thing. Okay, let's carry on. What time are we on now, Saj?
We are on 12:15, sir.
Fucking, you got 45 minutes. Till you go and say, order to your boys.
So it's half an hour back to your house and half an hour back here.
Yeah.
So I can't make it.
And also what we're going to do is we're going to do this quickly. We're going to quickly make this into this. While you're going to make that while I
So this is
do some other things.
adding some wiring. Yeah.
So, oh yeah, you can tape all that shit up now.
Amazing. What do you mean tape it all up? We don't need to tape it all up.
Tape it up, blood.
Alrighty then, we'll tape it up.
We
got paid in quavers and M&Ms. Happy days. Hey, Jammy, can't you see your car is a Ferrari?
What kind of Ferrari?
So we are gonna have to call it a day here because Jamin, so he got his laptop. Can you see him right there? That guy. And then we'll get to some racing. Once this car's all up and running, next clip, it's gonna be us smoking some man.
Evo.
Child's play.
Child's play.
Child's play.
You know what we should have done, Saj?
What should we have done?
We should have skinned it a bit here and then taped it back up. So if that fucks up, I would have just put it direct instead of we're going to be fucking around there.
On the next one.
Yeah, Civic has pissed all over the Evo. He pissed all over the Evo. The 4G63, ha, fuck you. This is why we don't run fucking Evos. If you think you can step to the fucking Honda, yeah, remember you're all-wheel drive. You lot didn't even launch him, man, yeah. We are all-wheel drive. Run me off launching it. So as you can say, Honda to the world. Fuck you, Evo. To the world, baby. Why? What the fuck happened there? Does Honda go up the road? Not a Honda.
Back out. Don't fuck with the Hondas, yeah? Don't chat shit next time. You alright? Say nothing.
The boys are back in town. Tell them, Marky. The boys
are back
the
in
boys
town.
are back in town. And listen, lads, it's not a Honda. It's a fucking Zonda.
Maca, don't fuck with the Honda boys. Yeah? Back to the drawing board for you, son. Some more coming out soon as well.